To add the new contacts on iPhone, first of all, you should find a contacts app. It by default located on second screen. You just swipe from left to right and you will see contacts app. And of course open it. Or you just can click on green phone icon at the bottom left corner of the screen and then proceed to contacts. Once you're here, you should find the plus sign at the top right corner of the screen or at the bottom right corner of the screen. So basically tap on plus sign and then of course enter first name. I just write something about, it doesn't matter. You can add a company name if you need. Alright, next step, tap on add phone over here. Enter phone number. You can use worldwide phone. Then you can add second phone, third phone, or work. You can add email, add pronouns if you need it. You can also add URL, address, birthday date, related name, social profile, Insta message. If you can add it, and this all stuff. So basically you can add all what you need. Also you can add a field, for example, suffix, nickname, job title. It's a lot of different stuff you can add on your contact. And then when you finish, most important things, you need to save all these settings. So when you finish adding all information about phones or about this person, by the way, you can add a photo over here. So when you finish adding all information, you just tap on this blue icon at the top right corner of the screen to save all information about this new contact.